Hi, my name is Frank Aiello, and I reached out to Mount Pleasant Windows not too long ago. Actually, it was towards the end of COVID, and we had some issues in getting the logistics of getting the windows installed, and they were wonderful. It was all up to me and my schedule, and the timing was set according to my needs. And Joe was wonderful at Mount Pleasant, along with the rest of the crew. Once we decided on the day that we were going to do it, they all showed up. They were done that day. One little note was that there was part of the window that needed to be fixed on the outside, two of the windows. I didn't expect them to show up again for another week. When I called, they let me know that it was done the next day. I didn't even know about it. That's how efficient they are. The cleanup was wonderful. You can't go wrong with Mount Pleasant Windows, believe me. And I like to stay local. I like to stay and do my business with local companies like myself. I truly appreciate it. And I recommend them to anyone. You will not be disappointed.